Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering or eye strain on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our device and go to display settings. Display and brightness, it's located right here. Now, disable automatic brightness and then try increasing your screen brightness. Setting your screen brightness to higher level, about 18 nits, will enable DC dimming automatically, and so this way you will not have any flickering on your screen. You can also enable sunlight mode and set the maximum brightness level. However, as you can see on the camera, this brightness level may be way too high for some people. And the other thing that we can do to fix the dimming moreover eye strain is go to reading mode and enable reading mode by switching the toggle to the right. And we can also select whether we want to achieve optimal comfort using cycle option or using classic reading mode. The cycle reading mode will most probably be the most comfortable option for you, as it will not make your screen as orange as classic mode does. But in classic mode we can also adjust the color temperature right here and the texture, so you can play with this feature for a while. And you can also enable schedule for reading mode, though I don't think it's what we're here for. But if you want to enable schedule for your reading mode, you can either select good night's read and switch to reading mode after sunset automatically, or you can set custom periods for the reading mode. So here you have to select the turn on time, and here select the turn off time. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.